joined hug. It's okay.
No, I know that. I have to finish eating. Finally. Oh. On the 23rd of June, mother must come.
Oh, okay. I think I sent the MIG thing.
Because I want her to, because I can only trust her to dress up. Because, okay, till the next time, maybe he's a 5 or 10. We'll have to call costume department and bribe them. Yes. ये आता परत. परत अच्छा वो कैमरा.
ठीक से कर.
Already फिर से कर. But my more abs म्हणजे किती? Huh? I'm wearing skins. But whatever, but just stunning. Oh, you love the choreography. It's going like this. Oh, I love this. चला बसा. लवकर. Time नाही आहे. नवीन गाडी का भी नवीन गाडी आहे बघा. बहुत मेहनत की कमाई है, मैं नाच की कमाई. चलो बैठो अभी. Now it's time to enter. Wait, I have to enter. शुभ आरंभ करेगी इधर.
नारियल लेके आएगा.
हाँ?
नारियल फोड़ोगी क्या?
नहीं. नारियल में अभी मेरा दिमाग ही फूटने वाला था. Okay, well, first right step ahead ना. एक मिनट सर just hold. I love it. I love it. Hey, look at how comfortable. I think this is the first vanity which has, and you know what guys, girls, stay there. I have lost a lot of weight क्योंकि ये trouser ये देख
लूज हो गया.
वो नहीं होता था स्काई शॉपिंग पे. हाँ, पहले मैं इतनी थी, पहले मैं ये थी, पहले मैं डिप्रेस्ड थी, पहले अब मैं पतली हो गई हूँ तो मेरे दोस्त बन गए. तुम I feel like I'm a GI Joe today. I feel like I'm going to host a not concentration camp, Papri.
I'm Anushka. How are you?
Nice to meet you, darling.
How are you doing?
So what a lovely smile you've got.
Thank you.
Like it's just uplifted my mood even more. As if I'm not loud and chaotic enough. My kids are here. Jamani, तो मेरे Ray-Ban पहन के आया ना. किसने बोला तुझे मेरा Ray-Ban का? उसको अलाउ किया. हाँ? वो वाला. Yes. आ गई हूँ मैं. Come here, Zuby's here as well. Fantastic, come guys. Material girl. बैठिए. आपका जरा थोड़ा हमें दिखाइए ये जो आपका wonderful outfit है. Wow. कहाँ से लिया? Break it down ना.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's a true Delhi girl.
Yes, the Sarojini glam is here. और ये दिखाइए आप.
Sarojini.
और ये
Adidas.
From Sarojini to Adidas. The dimension, the diversity. I love it.
Yeah,
you also explain your look. Come here, darling. Huh?
Zara.
H&M.
Sarojini's.
And oh, that's my boot. So, mere boot. Come on, break your looks down. Come on.
Just like thrifted. Everything's thrifted.
Thrifted.
Hey,
Sarojini बोलने में क्या शर्म आ रही है क्या?
कुछ.
No, it doesn't look Sarojini also. Na? This is like I don't know what that looks like. Hello sir, producer. ये लग रहे हैं कि हमारी चेक यही काटेंगे.
I know.
अब आइए इधर. आप तो लग रहे हो ऐसे. इधर break down your look for me.
That's.
ये तो मेरे सारे मेरे ही कपड़े. हैट भी मेरी, चश्मे भी मेरे, तो तेरा क्या पहना कच्चे तो
किस कलर की चड्डी पहने हो?
That looks cute, no?
Looks good. Looks like you're going to write us a check. Are you? बता रहा हूँ. No. नहीं. So shame. At least कैमरे के लिए तो बोल देता कि हाँ मैं मेरी माँ को दूँ कुछ. Anyway, मैं ले लूँगी. नहीं देगा तो क्या मैं ले लूँगी. Okay, thank you. We will come back to you in a bit when Aditi and Razia are here.
A few moments later.
Welcome! आजा जल्दी मुंह दिखाई दे दो. Very good. And we're on set again.
Top budget.
You know this set, right?
I heard that. It is our lucky one.
It is a lucky one because I don't know what we have shot.
First movie, first web series.
First web series, first film. Now this. First again on Netflix, first web series.
And we have done one more thing here.
Ad campaign.
Yes.
Something. I'm sorry, I come early. Directors, I lift my own garbage. I am the perfect person to have on set. And I perform very well. I sing very well, I dance very well. And I act fantastically, phenomenally. As a man, as a woman, as a trans, as a hijra, as a kinner, as a tree, as everything. As a tree. Yeah, so it's very main character energy and I think it's time we had somebody as articulate, as beautiful, and as accomplished as myself. Thank you, that was my resume. And my profiles are... अब क्या करे दिल दीवाना हाय अब क्या करे दिल दीवाना मेरे को चाय चाहिए ये आज ना मैंने रियाज ही नहीं किया
आज गाना थोड़ी आज तो लिप सिंक करना है
हाँ आज लिप सिंक करना है बट रियाज कैसे छोड़ सकते हैं ना ऐसा गरम चाय की प्याली हम ऐसा नहीं गाना है ताकि ऐसा ना गाना पड़े उसके लिए रियाज करनी पड़ती है
running horses like, painting is also very lucky.
It's very lucky. Yeah. Either waterfall or running horses. Yeah. I don't know where the horses are running to, but we will join them.
We'll also run.
अब घोड़ों की रेस में गधे भी दौड़ेंगे?
This one is nice. She's giving me very like I'm the winner. I'm the centerpiece. I am in the center. See? She's giving like she's आ जाइए, ma'am. I'm ready. Are you done?
What's
Welcome, welcome.
Finally for the mismatched.
Yeah, we're here.
Hi, Aditi. How are
You cut your hair?
Yes, yes.
Why did you cut it so
ये
short?
पागल है नहीं नहीं इतना short नहीं what do you mean short excuse me
It's not short.
It's shorter than what it used to be.
Yeah, it
It's
used
like
to be,
she
but I
cut
want to grow it
10
now.
inches.
Yeah. And it's not growing now.
even mine
I
is
really
not
wanted
good.
to-
तूने मेरे को बोला ना 2-3 इंच काट दी थी मेरे मेरे
But did you
मतलब
really cut it? No, right?
no but it looks nice ना
No, you need to trim it.
I need कैमरे पे तो ऐसे बोल देती ना नहीं अच्छा लगता I need to trim it a little bit I know but I think that if I color it back to my original color
Then you can stretch it for some time.
then I can stretch it for some time and that's happening because I don't want to I don't want this light इतना light मुझे चाहिए ही नहीं
We can actually do like a mid brown, like a
brown dark brown only is my scene is only dark brown in hair man तुम चेंज कर लो अपने ना बूट्स प्लीज वो देख के ही मुझे कुछ हो रहा है मेरी पीठ दुख रही है इतना बड़ा बूट पहन के ऐसे ऐसे after apparently we have a new wig we have got a new wig new wig once I saw the wig only I said new wig it seemed I've forgotten my words show me that wig this is mine
yes,
this I will be the owner of this
yes.
okay
No, wow.
I'm gonna cry I think
This is heavenly. This is all things we needed
This is
in a
40
ponytail.
how many inches
40 inches.
40
Oh my
inches of
God.
virgin
Wow.
Indian hair
प्यारी समझ गई
वो नहीं होती थी वो WWE में fighters
You know, I can give you something.
Mary Kom.
You know I don't like small toilets and loose because because I feel claustrophobic. So if I close my eyes and then something happens, and especially in the vanity, I feel like it's always moving. मुझे ऐसे लगता है, but the vanity is not moving. I am only moving. This is the director of the series for the third season now.
I love the show.
I don't know if I can say the same. I'm an old. So the first one is with Dimple's mom. Dimple's mom is basically dressed like Helen.
I love it.
So I have actually put in that line because it's like a Helen song.
Oh my God, who is this gorgeous creature? ये कौन सा गाना है?
ये एक हेलेन का गाना है.
Should I just do पिया तू है that?
Monica!
Like, oh my God, my monitor. Sorry. Oh my God, God bless you, theatre type son.
That line I put for myself because I'm a theatre type.
I love it. Excuse me, you know I started the musical theatre. It's quite dichotomous, but it's lovely. Vikram,
From Kapadia? What play?
Merchant of Venice.
I have seen the Adhyam version.
I have done the other version.
You were in the-
When did you see it?
Opening show.
No, then I did it when Ira was replaced by
No, I saw with you. I never saw with you. So I didn't know.
You missed the more value. See, it got better and better and better. And then I opened the show with a drag performance in the boat, in the ship. The first scene is in the ship.
That must have been an infinitely better show because what I saw was quite average. So
Yeah. I love drama. Oh my God. I love drama. I love drama. I'll do this again. I love drama. I love drama. I'll give you drama in that only. Good luck with your show. And I wanted the lyrics. Is there a teleprompter?
there is not.
Okay, that's okay. Then I'll just. It's my song.
I was going to say that.
Okay, that's Parvi. That's my manager.
Oh, I've heard about you as a people.
Good stuff. If not, then it's
You know, the thing is, with managers, sometimes, we get the mixed stuff.
आइए आप.
It is, I would have reached Pune twice.
Nice. Very nice. You're smelling very nice.
I always
You smell nice. You always smell nice. Today you're smelling very. I knew you always smell nice. That's why I
this
said
is
you were
oil in my
smelling
hair.
very nice. That is Roxy.
I am
She's
Roxy.
one of my youngest kids. Yeah. She's stunning. Yeah. Too cute she is. What retail event? Can't I wear the suit on that event?
No, this event because there's always different.
But it's very boring. Like the colors are very staid. You need to be
Show the
colorful.
picture again.
It's white and grey.
But I didn't see this picture.
Look at
before.
this. It looks like I'm a professor.
I mean, a woman wearing a pant has a vibe. Don't think like a dude.
I know what I'm, but you're not thinking about the dudes there.
I am so excited to shoot with you.
I am so excited. I have to give you another hug. Wait.
It's gonna be fabulous.
I know.
And I love that I have a scene with you and not just.
Yes, and not just like
Yeah,
okay,
not just like
fine,
around.
yeah, and stitch it around and stuff.
Yeah, he said that y'all worked on the script a little bit.
You're not talking to me in that scene.
Yeah.
Even one.
But I must not talk when you're talking.
No, we should talk to each other.
That is true. Tell him. You improvise, it's fine.
Let's do
I'll
something.
improvise with you.
Ruchi, by the way, loves you.
Oh, hi Ruchi.
It's not.
Why didn't you tell me that you love me outside when we were all awkward together? It was so funny.
Ruchi!
She ain't coming.
She loves you. But I also love him. What is there? Okay.
What do I have to do in order to make you love me then, Ruchi?
Yeah. See the lyric? It's so. So I gave them 3 options. It's full like. It goes from Bollywood to EDM.
No, I get to dance on this thing, you know that.
I know.
Rohan and I went to the theatre, Rohan, my best
Yeah.
friend.
I know Rohan. Shah,
Yeah, how?
he was in college.
It's so funny. You put up that post today and he sent it to me. He's like, dude, is he going to be a part of Mismatch? I was like, yeah. And
So him and Akasa were in the same class.
yes. Yes.
And I was 2 years older than them.
Right. So you were
And that time he used to do a lot of modeling.
theatre.
Modeling, like ads.
Ads, correct.
So we used to anyway meet me and also Ayush, you know Ayush?
Mera.
Mera.
Yes.
Also Miti Bhai. I mean also
Correct.
SVKM. So
Correct.
all of us used to meet in college.
Right.
Not
Fuck,
in
so you all go a long way back, yeah?
Prajakta also, na. Technically, we met at that Bombay Times Fresh Face thing, na.
What? That's how many years ago?
Many years. That's 14 years back.
That's insane. Must take you a leave.
Yes,
and
I will also
you will
get
start
ready.
getting- Yeah.
We will, chill again once I'm ready.
on set. Of
also.
course,
Yeah.
of course. See you. Sorry. Sorry.